In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in HoneyBook. Whether you're a business owner or freelancer using HoneyBook to manage your projects, understanding how to properly cancel an invoice is an essential skill. Maybe you've accidentally issued an invoice or a client has changed their mind, and you need to retract it. Whatever the reason, this video will guide you through the process in an easy and straightforward manner. First, you're going to open the specific project that contains the invoice you want to cancel. To do this, head over to your HoneyBook dashboard and locate the list of your projects. Find the project in question and click to open it. It's important to ensure you're looking at the correct project, as mistakenly canceling the wrong invoice could disrupt your financial, tracking, and client records. Once you're inside the project, you'll see various tabs laid out for you. Next, move over to the Files tab. This is where all the documents associated with the project are stored, including contracts, proposals, and most importantly, invoices. Click on the Files tab to proceed. Now take a close look at the list of files and find the invoice you wish to cancel. Click on this invoice to open it. Here, you'll have a comprehensive view of all the details associated with that transaction, allowing you to confirm once more that this is indeed the invoice you intend to cancel. Once you have the invoice open, your next step is to locate the option for More Actions. This is usually positioned at the top or side of your screen, depending on your interface version. Click on More Actions and then select Delete Invoice from the drop-down menu. It's a simple click, but a critical one in managing client billing effectively. After selecting Delete Invoice, HoneyBook will prompt you to confirm your decision. Confirming the deletion is your final step in canceling the invoice. This action is irreversible, so you should double-check all the details at this stage. Once confirmed, the invoice will be officially canceled in the system. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully canceled an invoice in HoneyBook. Remember, use this function with intention, as a deleted invoice cannot be reinstated. Always ensure that the right invoice is being deleted and communicate any such changes with your clients promptly to maintain transparency and trust. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your business through HoneyBook.